and Laura Realty. Just here at an open house we're holding today, and just wanted to kind of give you a tour of it and see, take you along with it if you can't be here today. So anyway, this is my first live video on Facebook. I'm not sure how it's going to go. Hopefully this isn't too crazy and chaotic. But anyway, so out here, open house sign. The house is here in Bayview on 4 city lots. It's 2/3 of an acre. You have an incredible view. There's the house. Have an incredible view of the mountains. I don't know if you can see that right there beyond the school bus. Quite beautiful. And so anyway, let's go ahead and take you in the house. I'm going to turn this off of me. Turn it around. There we go. Okay, so here's the house. It's got a full basement under 3,400 square feet, 5 bedroom, 2 bath. Like I said, it's on 4 city lots, so goes out quite a ways, 2/3 of an acre. Has some asphalt driveway here. I'll take you, since we're outside, I'll take you over to the spot where you can park an RV. Right here, there's actually a spot you can hook up to the sewer, and there's water over there. Have a little pad there for an RV. And here's the shop, 30 by 40 shop with a concrete slab in the back. It's all insulated and paneled. Let's go ahead in the house. So you come right into the kitchen as a side door, although this is an alternate entry door there. Let's see here. So living room, kitchen. We have a nice fireplace insert there. One of the main sources of heat. There's another insert downstairs where they have these 2 vents, and the heat rises and heats up the whole house very nicely. Front bonus room. Lots of windows. See if we can see some of the view outside. Okay. Let's see. Open house. There's actually right there, if you can see it, right beyond the fence is an alternative source of water, actually, another well. Okay, see here you have the 3rd bedroom upstairs here. Thank you. Okay, let's go back out to the living room. Okay, you have the bathroom, upstairs bathroom, double sink, some storage, and you have the 2 bedrooms in the back here. Freshly painted carpet, very nice. Then the other bedroom, closets. Okay, let's go ahead and go downstairs and see the immense amount of square footage here in this home. It's just under 3,400 square feet, like I said.
Immense.
Let's go ahead and go downstairs.
I'm actually recording this video.
Okay, so like I said, there's the
recording
fireplace insert there, wood stove.
Because the live recording goes away after a while because it's not live anymore. So if you save it, then you can post it as something that you did.
One on that side, one on this side. Turn on the light here. And again, new carpet. So it's partly unfinished down in the basement here. You do have the option, if you wanted to install a furnace as a heating source, a heating system. You can install the ductwork system throughout. Back here, the utility room, you get a real good glimpse of. Turn the light on here. Get a good glimpse of the foundation. And some of the wood concrete is in really good shape.
Better than the video you made.
I would do it. I would video everything around me, not have it on me.
Hey, if Tiffany can do it, I can do it.
Does he hear me?
Thanks, honey.
So many amenities here in Bayview. Worth talking about. There's the boat launch down at the lake. There's the Farragut State Park for trails, cross-country skiing, all kinds of stuff going on there. And you could look at more at the website bayviewidaho.org and some other social media sites for Farragut State Park. Lake Ponderay, all kinds of fishing stuff going on if you're a fisherman and not far from the lake here at all. Like I said, 2/3 of an acre lot in town, and other local amenities are like the Super One down in Athol, not far down the road. We have a pharmacy, a hardware store, of course the grocery store, and yeah, it's just a great area to live. So anyway, give us a call. Will and Laura Realty, 208-262-6000 is the best number. If this house strikes your fancy or if you need something else, just give us a call. We'd be happy to help. All right, thanks so much for watching.